Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the chat feature during your meetings in the Zoom application or Zoom calls. So let's get started right away. So launch the Zoom Workplace app on your device, be it on your PC or laptop, log into your account, and here on your home screen, you will be given access to these four functions. Here in your meeting, join, share screen, and schedule. So for this sake of this tutorial, let us launch a new meeting. After that, you will be redirected to these settings here. So make sure that your microphone as well as your camera or any other display devices are connected and working properly. And once they're ready to take off, simply click on Start here to start or to launch the meeting. And after that, Zoom Workplace will launch the meeting. So what you want to do, guys, during your meeting here is, for instance, end it by clicking on that button here, or to use the chat feature during your meeting, simply click on chat here at the bottom or use the shortcut Alt+H, click on it, and after that the chat window or chat box will appear here to the right, where you can type in your message here to everyone, for example, or to specific members by simply pressing add and then their username after that. And that's basically it. You may also attach files to your message here by clicking on that button here and by locating the file on your device. Alternatively, you may change your messages or text format here, like for instance use bold letters, italic letters, underlined letters, change the font color, the font, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you use the chat feature in Zoom meetings or Zoom calls. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.